Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giorgiana and today I'm super excited because I'm going to do Tilbury eyes makeup look. As you can see, I have blue eyes, so the color of copper is very nice for me. For my eyes, it's going to pop out the color of my eyes and it's going to look gorgeous on me. But this makeup is suitable for all kind of colors of eyes, so please stay with me if you want to do it. As you can see, I've already done my base. I have applied this foundation, Pretty Natural. The shade is Neutral Vanilla. I did my eyebrows. I applied a bit of blush and of course, why not highlighter. So I'm going to start with the Naked Urban Decay Heat Palette. I have used it on my last tutorial of makeup as well. I'm going to start with the transition color, which is going to be Chaser. And I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to keep on with the next color and I'm going to choose another brush. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to take the color of Soft. I'm doing this type of transition because I don't want to look, I want to do like a very nice, create a very nice shape. Okay, now I'm going to take with my finger the color Scorched and apply it here. It's going to look a bit messy, but now I'm going to blend it. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush like this one and take the same color and place it underneath my eyes here. Okay, I'm going to come back with the same brush and blend. And take a clean brush, this one, and now to intensify the color, I'm going to take a bit more and place it like this with my finger. You know that with your finger the color is going to be more intensified. Now I'm going to take this tattoo liner from Maybelline and I'm going to do the techniques of highlighting. This will do that my eyelashes will look fuller and thicker. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to line my eyes. As closer as you can on your lash line. I'm using the same palette. It is called, the color is called Ashes. Okay, on top of it I'm going to use this Sephora Eyeliner Liquid Intense. The color is amazing. It looks like it will be brown. I'm going to use this kitten button. Be careful with this liner because it's waterproof and you have to move it quickly if you want to improve the shape and correct it, because it won't smudge at all. It looks, I think it looks amazing. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I'm going to take, let me check, this Ubu curler. Okay, and I'm going to use this one from Essence I Love Extreme. I could let it like this if I would, but I always like to apply individual false lashes, and I'm using these ones from Nesura Eyelash. This is from AliExpress. I'm going to put the link if you want. If you are interested, please ask me in the comments, because these are really cheap, and I could say that I have tried a lot of individual eyelashes. For example, the Ardell ones and these ones are my favorite ones because they are less expensive, of course. And as I use them a lot, I'm going to use this duo, and I'm going to take this. I'm going to use 3 in this corner and another 3 in this one. Okay, only 3 and 3. As you can see, I have already applied my eyelashes. Now I'm going to put on top some mascara. I'm going to use the same mascara, but only a bit in the corners where I have applied my eyelashes, false eyelashes. I could have applied more of these, but I didn't want to because I'm glad with only 3 or 4 in the corners. I'm going to show you this brush. Second, this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to use the highlighter in the corner of my eyes, here and here as well. Now on my lips, I'm going to use this lip pencil in the color Oak. It's from MAC. And I'm going to use Velvet Teddy from MAC. And if I wanted, I would leave it like that, but I don't want to. to intensify a little bit my blusher, and I'm going to use this from Inglot. It's called Freedom System, and I'm going to show you the color. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Can you see it? It's beautiful, but you have to be careful because this color is very strong. I always place it on the back of my hand in case. So I think that this is the final result. I'm going to use Hello Good Stuff 3-in-1 face mist from Essence. And this is the final result. What do you think, guys? I think it's a very, very nice makeup for the spring season. These colors make my eyes pop. I hope that you have enjoyed like I did. Find me on my social media. I'm going to link down all the details about it and of course all the products that I have used. I'm going to put them in the description box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you have enjoyed the video. I hope to see you next time. So goodbye, guys. See you. Love you. Bye bye. Y ahora qué hago, me dejo el maquillaje, lo dejo o no lo dejo. Bueno, vamos a parar el vídeo.